Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along with me while I decorate my front porch for the 4th of July. I'm also going to be sharing a couple easy DIYs that you can use for the outside of your home like I did, or for the inside. It's completely up to you. So if you guys want to see my 4th of July decorations this year, then please keep watching. Alright, first up we're going to be making our decorative balls or spheres. I'm going to be taking these styrofoam balls in assorted sizes. These bandanas in red, white, and blue, they were 94 cents from Hobby Lobby. And then these 2 scarves from Dollar Tree. Now we're going to be using our fabric knife. If you don't have one of these, that's fine, use your scissors. Now I did not measure these, but I want to say it's about 1 inch wide. I kind of varied in size. I felt like it looked more organic and natural that way than to measure them out to be perfect. So afterwards, I'm going to go through and just make sure they're all separated with my scissors, and then I'm going to rip them apart. I felt like it looked more distressed and more weathered if you kind of rip it and have strands hanging. I really liked how it looked, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now you can use any size styrofoam ball that you would like. I believe this one's about 2.5 inches. I got a few different sizes from the Dollar Tree and from Hobby Lobby. So you're just gonna put a dollop of glue, lay down your bandana fabric, and then wrap it around, and that's it. This is super simple. Just as always, be careful with that hot glue. You don't wanna burn your fingers. Now I'm gonna repeat the process in like an X pattern. As you can see here, I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. It just makes it so you don't have to use as much fabric, so the ball isn't super bulky. I found some of these at Hobby Lobby, but they were super expensive, and they were like $9 for 3, and I made it for $9 for probably like 10 or 15 of these. So better deal if you make them yourself. So here's what they all look like. I went ahead and did all the rest of them off camera. I combined some of the fabrics and some of the colors. Turned out really cute. Sadly guys, when I tried to open this footage, it was corrupt. I could not open it, but it was super simple. I got these paper fans from Amazon, the star stickers and cutouts from Walmart and Hobby Lobby, but it's super simple. I just laid everything out and glued it down. If you guys have any questions and want to know exact, directions, I can definitely share that with you, but I was so sad when I opened that file and I could not do anything with it. Alright, next up isn't a DIY per se, but I did want to show you how I did it. So I took this blue planter from Lowe's and these fake geraniums from Michael's and some floral foam. We're just going to make a floral arrangement. Now here in Las Vegas, it is currently 115 degrees. It is extremely, extremely hot. So live flowers and plants don't really last here unless they're cactuses. So I am going to be using these. Michael's has great faux flowers and they last throughout the summer heat and sunlight. Now I'm going to be taking these floral rods I got from Walmart and just pushing them down into the foam to make it stay still. I did go ahead and put rocks in there to weigh it down because this was super duper light. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick my geraniums in there and arrange them in red and white. I put the blue planter for the red, white, and blue kind of theme. But this is how they turned out. Super pretty, and they do look pretty real. They do look really nice. Alright, next up I'm taking these 2 white lanterns I got from IKEA. They were $9 a piece. I'm going to be taking these red, white, and blue lights. I ended up only using 1 strand, but it still came out cute nonetheless. There's those decorative spheres that we made. We're going to be using that as a filler, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and just start placing them inside the lantern. And then I also have some little styrofoam stars that I got from Hobby Lobby. We're going to be putting that in there as well. Just kind of making a decorative bowl, or a decorative sphere bowl, if you will, but inside of a lantern. I thought it came out really, really cute. Alright, and this is what it looks like. This was my original idea for the decorative spheres. I love that. They look so cute. All right, now I'm going to be taking this glass vase from Dollar Tree. I'm going to fill it with all of the filler and the spheres and the stickers and everything just to make it look festive. Now I tried putting the lights inside the lantern, but they just kept falling down into a big blob. So I did this and it worked out great. So I'm just going to wrap the lights around the vase here. So I really like how this one came out. It was a little struggle to get it in there, had to be very careful, but nonetheless I got it in. And then I'll just pull the cord out and tape it closed, and this is what it looks like all lit up. So cute, love this. All right, last but not least, I'm gonna be taking this sign I got from Etsy. I will link it down below. It did not come with the bee and the butterfly, but the wreath was standard on there. I'm gonna be taking it off and putting one of these. I don't know if I'm gonna use a paper fan. I couldn't quite decide, but I'm gonna go ahead and take all the little leaf picks out. I can always put these back later. So now I'm just trying to figure out what I wanna do. I ended up going with that wire wreath from Dollar Tree and just wrapping it around and sticking it inside and kind of wrapping the wire around the little wreath there just to make sure it stays. And then I'm going to be taking this paper fan, also I got from Amazon, just like I made my wreath with. I left this one out on purpose for this sign. I thought it'd be really nice. Just going to glue it together and cut off the end and then hot glue it down. All right, now it's time to decorate finally. So I'm going to go ahead and take down everything and clean it, and then I will just let you guys watch me decorate. I hope you guys enjoy.
You had me at hello. Where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday. Someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I
just had to pop in here and say I really love this wreath. It came out so pretty, and it's different from your, typical 4th of July wreaths. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap the video here. I really hope you enjoyed my 4th of July decorations. I know some people go all out, some people do less, some people do more, but I really love how everything turned out this year. I really apologize about the wreath footage. I don't know what happened, but it came out so pretty and it's so simple to do. I will leave all of the links down below for the things that I purchased online. If you guys haven't checked out my other 4th of July video where I share some party decoration ideas and some patriotic recipes, then I will link it down below and above for you guys. But if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't considered subscribing, please do. I make all kinds of videos for everybody. So I hope you guys have a great day and happy 4th of July, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I've been saving you, and you save me too.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.